We're looking at hospital beds in Florida, Florida hospital beds for sale. And we're going to go through some of the top selling Hill Rom and Stryker hospital beds that are available in the state of Florida. These are available anywhere in the state: Orlando, Miami, Fort Myers, Naples. So these are the primary models that we sell. Now, we sell a lot of brand new beds. That would be beds from Med Mizer, Drive, Invacare. But we're going to show you today some of the beds that we sell that are going to be the refurbished beds from Hill Rom and Stryker. And the first one we're going to start with is the Hill Rom pulmonary bed, which is called the P7500 Progressa. And the Progressa is the best hospital bed made on the planet. So if there's certain features or things you need with the hospital bed, you can kind of determine which one might be best for you. Now, all the beds have a full chair position, but the Progressa, if you can see over here in the showroom, actually you can put your feet physically on the floor. So you're able to literally get out, like you can literally stand right in front of somebody and give your hand, help them up, or you can drop down the side rail and they can slide right off that and go right into a wheelchair or a transportation type device. Now, this bed is really special because it does a few different things. The first thing it can do is it has what's called a pulmonary feature. And that pulmonary feature, if we go down here and push the lungs, pulmonary basically means lungs, is percussion vibration. So percussion vibration basically is a feature that helps thump the upper respiratory system. And you'll see here as the mattress gets going, it's going to start thumping this footboard that I put on here. And it has a low, medium, and high setting. But for anybody out there that has issues with pneumonia, COPD, these are used a lot with ALS, whatever it is, if you need a pulmonary feature for a bed, this is really one of the only beds made that has this feature. It's a highly specialized bed, and it's one of the top selling beds that we sell. So we're going to go ahead, and it's just super easy to use. You can see here, I'm just going to hit stop therapies. Yes, I'm sure. And then what I'm going to do is go back. The other thing it can do is it can turn the person all night long, and you can determine the degree of turn. So if it's 70 right now, I could say that's too much. Let's reduce it down to 40. And you can see then if I hit start, it'll turn the person all night long. And you can set the timer for how you want that to be done. But it's got the low air loss mattress. Low air loss basically allows air to circulate over the top of the mattress, and it keeps the skin dry, which prevents bed sores. Or if there are bed sores, it helps dry those up. So this is really the pinnacle bed. If you're looking for a really high-end bed for high level of patient care, we sell the Progressa beds in Florida. A couple of the other beds that we sell that are also very, very popular. One is the Stryker Secure 3. And the Secure 3 bed has really solid rails. They open up in the middle. I've got it right now in a chair position, but they open up in the middle. So you've got a rail on each side that you can put your hand on. And the only difference with this bed and other beds is that with this bed and all the other beds that are here, you get in and off the bed, off the side of the bed. So you've got these rails here, which you drop down and they will tuck right out of the way. And so the person can get in and get out. Now you have controls on the inside rail for the person. And then you have a master set of controls here. So if I'm going to go ahead and, I got the foot section up, I'm going to go ahead and raise the bed up. I can do that right off the control panel. You do have a bed exit alarm. They're not always used a lot, so chances are you probably don't need it, but it is there just in case you did. If you needed to lock out anything, 30 degrees or higher is good for cardiac-related patients. This will flatten the bed out. And then, of course, you've got chairs. So everything on here is very, very easy to manage. And this is a very durable and reliable bed. Now, the bed can come with a foam or an air mattress. So in some cases, this right now has the gel foam mattress on it. But if some cases, if there was a situation where the Progressive bed wasn't going to work, we could basically put the mattress, we can basically hang it right off this, we can hang it right off this rail right here. So anybody that's old enough to remember A&W root beer, they used to hang their things right off your windshield, and that right there, you could hang a pump, and then you would roll an air mattress out. Air mattresses, which we provide brand new, those basically can be put on any basically any bed. So we can convert this to it. But what I was showing earlier, what I wanted to show is that I can open this up one way, open this up another, and now you've got a middle section where people can grab onto to get in and out of bed. But then you can also have it closed up so people are not going to fall out of bed. So that's one of the things that the Secure 3-bed has that makes it unique. Now with the Hill Rom beds, and we sell a lot of Hill Rom beds, the VersaCare is the model that kind of competed with the Secure 3. And this bed is also very durable, very reliable, and you're going to see a little bit different rail design where if I just lift this up and drop it down, it drops down completely out of the way. Now, the Secure 3 sits a little bit higher. If it's somebody that needs the bed low to the ground, like if you're getting in and out of a wheelchair, it might be easier to get in and out on the VersaCare because the VersaCare bed sits down a little bit lower to the ground. I'm going to drop it down there. It goes. So this bed does get down a little bit lower to the ground than the Secure 3, but the main thing for the videos is to kind of show you the different models of beds and then let you kind of understand what the best option for you might be. You might be, hey, now the VersaCare can come with the foam or an air mattress. Right now in the video, I've got it set up with a air mattress, but we have other beds over here. This is another Progressa without the same features that we just talked about, the Centrellas. And then we have the VersaCares over here with a foam mattress. So we basically carry and sell all different types of Hill Rom and Stryker beds refurbished. And then, of course, we do sell all of the new beds, which would be from your manufacturers, primarily Med Mizer, Drive, Invacare, and Joerns. And Joerns and Med Mizer probably are my two favorite. So if you're looking for something that's full electric but doesn't need this high level of patient care, you can give us a call and we can ship those out. Now, we also do have extra wide beds. So if it's somebody that wants more space, if it's somebody that wants a husband and wife both in the same bed, we have options for that as well. Those are referred to as bariatric hospital beds. But if you're looking for beds in the state of Florida, like I said, Miami, Orlando, West Palm, Jacksonville, Fort Myers, Tampa, we deliver these beds all over the state of Florida, all over the United States. So for more information on hospital beds, you can give us a call. Our primary office, our main headquarters is Richmond, Virginia. That number is 540-327-7376. You can get more information on all of the beds that we sell at hospitalbedshop.com. And you can also email us for more information. We've been doing this for over 15 years. We sell beds by the thousands. We know them very well. So we can help you find the bed that's right for you, whether you need a foam or an air mattress, whatever the cost or whatever the case might be for each individual person. It's always a little bit different. But we have a lot of options and know the industry very well. So don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks for watching our video on beds in the state of Florida, Florida hospital beds. Give us a call for more information and subscribe and share, and we'll see you on the next video.